So I boiled some potatoes and these. And I'm just going to pour them on. As you can see, I have a little part over here. That part is for the vegan person who doesn't eat any dairy products like cheese or anything. So you line up your potatoes on the pan like this. And then you take a little hammer utensil. You could use whatever side you want. And you just
taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as
Then I'm gonna put some ground black pepper. Then I have some dash flavorful onion and herb. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in the oven for 375 and wait until I see it looking nice and crispy and golden brown. Delicious. I can't wait to crunch into them. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you subscribe and go on over to my Instagram and my TikTok and join and follow me there. I'll list the name of it right here and thumbs this video up. I thank you all for watching. I thank you for your continued support. Please come back. Have a nice day.